Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I don't know what time it is, guys. Yo, Dan Mafia. I don't know what time it is. We're back in at the music club and I don't know. We got a banger. You see me? But before we even jump in the track, guys, I just want to take the time. Yo, how y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing to you? Y'all taking care of yourself? How y'all doing on this lovely Sunday? You see me? Not take care of yourself, not take care of the family. Y'all staying prayed up. You drinking your water? Huh? You eating healthy? Yeah? You putting down that junk food? Exercising. I hope so. You got your mental right. You know, we have to take care of yourself. You know, hope you're staying on your goals. You know what I'm saying? Staying on your purpose. You know what I'm saying? And keep grinding. You don't know it. You know, life can change in 1 day, 1 year. You see me? So just keep working. You never know. You see me? Yeah, and guys, I hope, you know, with that being said, I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. But we have another banger today. You see me? No one requested this one, so you don't know. About the shout out, you still gonna see the comments, but nobody no request the one I saw. You have to request his song them. You see me? I'm gonna pick you and get to the shout out, okay? But yeah, man. Today I reacted to 1Skimask and Deno Crazies. You don't want to name Ski. The last one I react to from 1Skimask was actually Darkness. So I'll check out the one here entitled Ski. You see me? 1Skimask and Deno Crazies Ski. We'll see what I go on. You see me? I check it out and see where I deep on this one. Hopefully one is a banger. You see me? Because 1Skimask do him thing. You see me? Everybody got high hopes for him. You know what I'm saying? He been making it, so we'll see what I go on. You see me? Now go up the vibes much longer. But before that, guys, I hope you take this time to hit that like and subscribe button. You're new to the family. Come on, John. The littest reaction channel, man. Do yourself a favor. If you're watching another that there, and you do yourself a favor. Be a vibes over here. You see me? But anyway, guys, I don't know. Jump right now. Try this 1Skimask, Deno Crazy Ski. Let's get it.
1Skimask. Ski. 1Skimask. Ski. 1Skimask. Ski. Baby, you can't follow instruction. You love nerd or gunman. I mean, you're going on your junction.
Easy, man. The one that is kind of upbeat compared to that. It's alright. We'll see what I got.
Bend your back and bend your knee and swing your hand and then you ski. 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 Everybody just ski. 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 Hey, kids, don't ski mask. What? Jumping out the whip and then we squeeze off.
Easy,
have a few bad girl I come sweet.
Easy, no? Deno Crazy. Come in there.
Lock off the light, cover tree dark. Bend your back and bend your knee and then you ski. 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 And everybody just ski. Ski. We hear white style.
Me like that one, that mad, this mad. That yo, come like Skimask, come for make something like that. I'm like, ready do that, come and make a hit bad man tune or a chopper tune, whatever you want to classify it as. And then this is a hit dance tune, bro. You see me? Cause a lot of people have to get the fun in the dance and that. Yeah, man. So if you that versatile like that, hey, keep me coming, my G.
Ski. I don't pay me a ski from. Ski. Just touch down from England. Fully dark, now have no sense and we've been bad. Cool like the high.
Fully dark, now no sense and we've been bad. Easy dog, easy dog. Can't see dog, comedian skills coming out in a place.
Over England, full of vibes, you know how like Leland. Right, ski girl. Bend your back and bend your knee and swing your hand and then you ski. Ski, 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 ski. Yeah, my feel so heavy. Take a pic of my lifestyle crazy. We stir fry like we mix it in a gravy. Yo.
Stir fry like we mix it in a gravy. Come in, man, easy dog.
Baby, your body not feel lazy. Never. Bend your back and bend your knee and then you ski, 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 ski. And everybody just ski, 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 ski.
Nah, like this is our vibes, so don't check. This is our vibes. Only think about that, man. They want a mad people. Me not lie, man. Yeah, man. Skimask are doing thing, man. Watch me alone now. Make me shake on my camera. Too no. Yo, Skimask are genius, dog. What do you think about the other people? Eh? You want a full energy, man.
Ski, 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 ski. And everybody just ski, 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 ski.
What other people? Yeah, sorry. Whoa, my bad, guys. Too much energy in that video, man. Jano, jump on my camera and everything. Everything good? We're good now? Alright, me see what we're gonna do. Yeah, man. Enough energy in that one, guys. This is me, I got carried away. Come in.
Ski from mix up and drama. Make it
and I ain't cutting none of this out.
Money mix it little with the Prada.
I just see darkest life in my father.
Fully. So that's why I mean tell them. So from them this, we a shot them.
You know what I mean?
Like mosquito, we a zap them and walk them. Zap them and walk them, father.
Easy enough? I'm trying to be able to serve that. The energy is that. You know, feel nice, bro. Yeah, they were nice one. They were full of fun. Yeah, man, me like the one, the ski mask. Yeah, man, Deno crazy. You know, do the one, the ski. Yeah, man, don't think about the one, the people. I want to fly energy, man. So, tune for nice, man. You see me? Yeah, man, and every time when I have to dip on the one bag of this and the right thing, you know, just make some nice tune and come out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was 1Skimask and Deno crazy. I enjoyed that one. That was fun. You know, the one that make you want to dance and move and have a vibes. Yeah, man, them play them thing down in the club too, man. I want to them. Yeah, man, people. Yeah, one thing about that one, that was 1Skimask, Deno crazy. Ski, definitely the one there. I'm thinking about drop one comments in the comment section. I know one thing about that one there. Yeah, see me, one thing about 1Skimask and Deno crazy being artists. Watch it. Let me know when I watch them. Yo, big up, send kids. We got people from St. Kitts, Trinidad, you don't know, all over the Caribbean. Y'all been showing love. If you want me to shout y'all out country, just drop your emojis and drop your flag, drop your country, and I'll shout y'all out, man. Yeah, man, I appreciate the continual love and support, people. Yeah, man, let me know what you want me reacting next, and I'll get it done. You don't know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah, man. This was 1Skimask, Deno crazy ski. That was crazy vibes, crazy energy. I like that one, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.